Gun.
Shoot somebody down.
Well, come on there, Anderson. Give us a two-bit tour of this place.
Continental Hotel Beach in lovely truck. Our friendly tour guide and what do we call Fred? Coordinator wouldn't let us stay here. He coordinated all. This is a wonderful place in the Pacific. Look in the camera. Look in the camera. Get there. Got machine gun. That's probably a Japanese machine gun over there.
I'm taking a picture of Larry taking a picture
Of Bob taking a picture.
of the bay. Did you get these? Hey Fred, did you get these sailboats and everything?
Yeah, go ahead, take them again.
Right over there?
Oh, that's a cat.
Oh. The Three Musketeers. There they are. Oh, Fred's got his arms crossed and he don't have his hat on because I sold it or gave it away.
Yep. We're going to give it say something. Oh, is that right? Hey.
What is this? What we got money being
$50 to go buy lunch.
50 bucks. All right.
You got Larry. I'm gullible. You gotta feel how warm that water is.
I want to see this.
Saturday, February 17th, Guam, Marianas Islands.
It's about a deal low.
The
What I thought.
championship match between Bob Anderson and Larry Hamilton.
Head. You got all 6 balls. Yeah, because I'm going to hit with you because I know you'll be chasing. Don't forget what kind of ball it is. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at him run me. We're playing doubles, aren't we? Ah. I want you to get a shot of that.
Which one?
Twist it. I wish you'd hit it forehanded because you dadgum sure can't hit it back. Good. Oh, Fred. It's in.
I got that one.
15 off. No, 30, 15, 30, right?
Yep, 15, serving 30. Oh, great serve. Wrong court, but great serve. Way to go, Fred. 40. 15.
Get on the net ball. 15. That.
Oh, roll. It's rolling. The champion, Mr. Bob Anderson, congratulating Larry Hamilton.
Hey, man, now who won? You or me? I always owe you. Baby garden.
We'll take it back.
Another blaze on the top. Just hitting it with the bat.
He's just gonna chop it. That's almost like
Hey, Fred, when Ellie, you didn't hear this. Fred, when you let all the Japanese ladies know about it, and they come back for
They try that.
lessons.
Here's the cup. What's the cup? Well, you're gonna drink it straight from there. Let me drink it from there. Yeah.
Come on, Larry.
Make it be
Drink the cover.
authentic. Authenticity is the word.
Interesting.
Sweet.
Woo!
Not really.
You like it?
It's better than the other one I broke up.
How do you buy this one? You don't buy it.
That's all right.
Yay.
There it is. It's a boy. Okay.
No way. Here's Ron and Carlita. Very good, real good. Very good.
Friday, 7:50 a.m., 12 p.m., and 5:40 p.m. The Micro Minute brought to you by Computerland. Business to business, person to person.
It was the summer of 1963.
This is a time-lapse photography. He's been doing this for the last hour and a half.
Been going on for an hour.
Accept your nomination. From the bottom of my heart.
There he goes, look at that. Yeah.
Well, you cool. You cool. I just want to say about a quarter.
There goes Bob now.
Article 1, Section 8 of the Constitution specifically.
Well, I got it further than you did.
Only Congress has the power to declare war.
Got a loose for you.
Hey, give it to Bob now. You should be able to get it. Come on, Bob. Do it. Come on. You can do it. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Go. Keep on going. There we go. Look at that.
Pull that out of there. Pull that little ball out of there.
No way.
Here. It's full. One really good.
Finally got it.
Hey, they got it. All right, here. Oh boy. One down.
Yeah?
Okay. And then you can wide angle it.
Oh, okay. And I just press this if I want to stop, right?
Yeah, just press it again.
There's Takiko. We got. There you go. It's getting ready.
Ron took a leap.
Yeah, that leaf there, right there.
And you know what you can do? You can spit in it too, and yeah, and wash it off. What's that?
You're going the wrong way.
Fred spit in it. I get Ron.
Put on his gloves now. What we're going to do is wait until he put. There he goes. Don't forget, wave before you go in. Wave before you go in. And just don't fall them. And turn this way. There you go.
It's nice snorkeling here. It's sunny Guam. I wish you was here. Hi, Slick. But you didn't think a pilot could do this. Don't take any more. Bob found a shell already.
Did you find one yet, Larry?
Huh?
You find a shell?
No, not yet.
Well, you better find one. You won't be able to get out.
A lot of fish, but no shell.
Looks like Larry's up to something. And here comes Bob.
And we'll take the other ones. We do that.
You want the other one?
I want my beer.
I know where your beer is.
Bring the important stuff first. It's over there. No, it's the other
Well,
one.
he's want to get back in, huh? He's hot.
Well, he's trying, but he can't go back in no more. He's coming through.
Which one was that? The last one? Corin?
When that tree over there was kind of waving back and forth.
We got you on film, Fred. We're gonna send this home. You lose that fish, we're gonna